Hey everyone, if you're running low on storage on your iPhone, don't panic. Today, we're going to show you how to easily buy more storage on your iOS in just a couple of minutes. Let's get started. First things first, grab your iPhone and open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Here you can see how much space is left on your device and which apps are taking up the most storage. Now, to add more storage, you'll want to tap on the Manage Storage or Upgrade Storage. Once you're in there, you'll see an option to buy more storage via iCloud. Tap on the Upgrade to iCloud Plus. You'll be presented with different storage plans. Choose the one that works best for you, either 50 GB, 200 GB, or 2 TB. After selecting a plan, tap on Buy and confirm your purchase. And that's it. Your iPhone will now have extra storage on iCloud, and you can start storing more photos, apps, and backups in the iCloud. If this video helped, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tricks. See you in the next one.